In our last video, we did the domino holes on the legs and we discovered that there was going to be a crossover of those dominoes and we needed to edit those. So this is going to be a very short one. It's just to show you how to edit those holes and make them bigger. So pretty much what I've already done, and I've actually already done it, but you can see I've adjusted it slightly. They now don't overlap like they did in the last time. And all you need to do for this is the great thing about like having the timeline of all the things that you've done down the bottom of the screen. So each of those features that we've done, you can then edit those. So what you need to do is this is the feature for the leg. So you go up to edit, right click and go edit feature. And then just change that. So instead of being minus 20, 25, which is what we did originally, we need to make that minus 20. And so you do that minus 20 on that one. And then you go right click on the next one and you do edit feature and you do minus 20 instead. So you take 5 mil off of those. So that makes it all 20 mils, and it's going to be on the legs. And then on the end rails, if you work your way back along that timeline, so there's the leg, and then the purple one is one of our side rails. So if we do that, we go edit feature, and I forget which one it was that we're editing here. This one here, so that was 25. This time, obviously, we're going to add, because we've got extra length there, so we're going to add the 5 mils that we take away from the legs. We're going to add it on this side. So altogether, both sides of that joint need to equal 50 millimeters all the time. So we did it centered before, 25 and 25 makes 50. And now we're going to make 20 and 30 to make 50. So again, same process, just change that to 30 and click OK, and then you're done. Now, the good thing about the mirror way that we did that with the mirror command is once we've changed this one, it automatically changes that one. So effectively you're working along. So that's one side rail. This would be the next side rail. Then you've got the end rail and then the second end rail there. And so it's only those four features that you have to edit each time, changing those to 30 into the end rails. And because it's mirrored, it'll automatically adjust the one on the other end. So you only have to adjust 4 out of the 8. So that's how we fix all those up, and then we're good to go. While we're in here, we might do a quick little show you how to make the domino. Before we go to that, let's go back into the display settings. So down the bottom of the screen, there's like a little screen. Go to visual style and go to shaded, and that'll put it back into like that shaded view. All right, so we're going to go to the top level. So click on that, make that sure that's active. And we're going to add a new component. So we're going to go create, new component. And over here, we're going to call this Domino, D-O-M-I-N-O, I-N-O, Domino. Go OK. And pretty much doesn't matter where you draw this, but we're going to draw it on that plane there somewhere. And we are drawing a slot. So same process as what we did to cut them out, but this time we're going to obviously make them. So this time let's draw one down. So straight down, distance was 13, and then just tab it on the keyboard, press enter, enter, and then we need to go 8 mils this way, enter. Okay, go finish sketch. There's our slot. And then we're going to extrude that shape there, and we make it 50 millimeters long, and go OK. And there's our wood domino. Now, to make life a little bit easier, I am going to change the appearance of that. So we're going to make it look like a dark colored timber, just to make it a little bit easier to see what we're doing. So we're going to go up to appearance. So right click on it, go to appearance. This will come up, scroll down to get to the woods down the bottom. Whoop. And unfinished. Let's see what we've got. So I'm going to download the mahogany one. And then once you've downloaded it, drag it across onto the top of that. And then click close. So there's our domino, and we're going to end up making a lot of those, because obviously there's a lot of holes that are going to go into this. But our process is sort of like this now. So we're going to do I will stop this video here. So I'll keep this one short. I'll do a short video on the next one of doing a joint in here, how to join the leg, the domino, and the rail together. And then that's a repeatable process all the way around, and we'll go from there. So we'll finish this video. Don't forget to save it as we're going along, and next video we'll do that joint. All right, thanks for watching.